Alright, so we're going to be doing challenge with level 15 on the confectionary. I have to go a bit quick because the last video I did with confectionary levels 1 to 2, my storage got too big, so I couldn't complete any more levels, but I'm going to try doing level 15. Here we go. Level is 19. It's really glitchy. I hate this. I don't want to say I hate the game, but I just don't like how it's always glitchy most of the time. I can barely play. We got that section cleared. So we do have to go a bit quick. I know I don't like how this is always slow. So I do get some videos, like not on YouTube, but just some like other stuff. So I really hope this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, then I will owe you guys a big apology because this is just not working very well. Because I know it always does that. We're doing really good. The goal is 1900. So, or 1900, or, yeah. Please hurry up, customers. I hope a tournament will come soon, and we will be doing it. Whoa. The orders do look so good, I gotta say. We're definitely gonna pass this. I have done this challenge before. I think it was at my aunt and uncle's cottage back in 2020. So, it was actually when I did this, but I didn't film it because I have my aunt and uncle there, so I just didn't have time to film, and even past it. Just got another 6 more customers. It's been at least 4.5 minutes through this. We need to prepare more gummies. Oh, I messed up. I meant to make a lemon with. There we go. Ugh. You guys can actually see how glitchy this is. Prepare some chocolate. There we go. We passed it, and here's our award. Challenge completed. Congratulations, you have completed the challenge. Then collect our score, and look at that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't care about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you the restaurants that I've finished. So I've completed the Smoky Grill and decent. I just started the Vegan Peak. Actually, I did Chief's Mystery Box, and I think it actually picked that. And here's the paradise, guys. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.